Hey, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Hey, it sounds like you're vacuuming.
Yeah, I'm vacuuming. Okay, bye.
When you're done, come out of here and vacuum the living room. There's dog hair everywhere.
Okay, I will.
Make sure you use the extension on the cobwebs in the corners and the lips on
Mom,
the molding.
I don't really need this right now.
Vacuum along the entire wall. Back and forth, at least 3 times. Are you doing it?
Yes, I'm getting all the corners and all the lips of the molding and going back and forth and...
Yes, just like that.
Oh my, stop!
Why, door locked. Hey, open up.
I'm busy.
And let me help you vacuum in. No clean floor guarantee. Life gives you more.
Oma, I don't want any help right now. Just please leave me alone, okay?
You are taking too long. Don't you want more from your clean floors?
No, leave me alone. I'm so close to finishing.
Fine. You want tteokbokki?
Whatever you want.
Vacuuming makes you cranky. Sheesh. You're just like your sister when she vacuums.
All I wanted to do was relax. 기집애!